Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. What's happening is it keeps dying for some reason. I thought it was the fuel pump or the fuel filter, but I think I figured out what it is. As it turns out, it's the air filter. Stick around, you won't believe what you see when I replace this air filter. I start off by popping the hood and taking a look at the engine bay. Now in most engine bays, you can obviously tell where the air filter is. Here on this Honda and here on this Ford. But this Volkswagen Passat, you have no clue where it's at. But where it is underneath the engine cover. You start off by removing the 2 torque screws, then the clamp, and then the engine cover lifts right off. Please hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel out. Now a lot of times when you go get an oil change, the tech will bring the air filter with a leaf on it and saying that it needs to be replaced. Because of how complicated this one is to get to, this doesn't happen with this car. And so this is greatly overlooked on this vehicle. Unfortunately, the intake boot had a crack in it. It's almost coming off. Costs about $30 to replace. Not going to do that right now. Just going to get some electrical tape and seal it up. Now that the intake duct is back on, time to remove these 5 screws to get to the air filter. Looks like the grommet's broken. I'll have to replace that later. Now I've been working on cars a long time. I've never seen anything like this before. That filter was put in September 15, 2015. It's November 2025. That filter is 10 years old. I'm surprised it lasted this long. Anyway, out with the old, in with the new. I'll order that grommet later and put it in. I believe I can put it in without taking all this stuff apart again. Here's the other piece of the grommet, kind of what it looks like. I'll get one later. Instead of an engine cover, I believe this is called a plenum. To put it back on, you just line up the grommets, push it on, and then put the hoses back on. With it all back together now, I reinstall the clamp. Put the duct on. And install the torque screws. Alright, it's all done. Let's fire her up, see how she sounds. It hesitated to start, probably because I sprayed some cleaner into the throttle body. She's fixed for now. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.